Hey guys, this is Chris Dudley with the Dudley Real Estate Group, and I'm here with Vicki Hamp, Senior Account Executive with Choice Home Warranty. Hey Vicki, how are you doing?
I am awesome today, Chris. Thank you for inviting me.
Awesome, thanks. My first question to you, Vicki, is can you break down what a home warranty actually covers and how it differs from homeowners insurance?
I can certainly do that. And Chris, the best way to think of a home warranty is it really covers what your home insurance does not cover. A home warranty is budget protection for an unexpected repair or replacement for systems and appliances that might come up. And so your homeowner's insurance typically comes into play when there is an event that happens that causes damage. So if there's a severe weather storm, if somebody falls on your property, it is usually kicks in based on some type of happening or event damage that's been caused by an event. Whereas your warranty is going to cover those things. Again, for example, your major systems, your electrical, your plumbing, your HVAC, and it's going to cover your appliances should they, when and if they go bad and need repair.
Let's try it again. Number two, insurance rates, they go up after a claim. Is there a way that people who have a Choice Home Warranty can lock in a better saving plan for down the line?
Absolutely. At Choice Home Warranty, we offer multi-year plans, which provide the homeowner, the new buyer, a much more affordable way to place a warranty on your home for a longer period of time. We offer 2, 3, and 5-year plans. And that does two things. One, it gives you better pricing up front, but it also locks in your rate for that period of time. So, many folks do tend to buy 1-year plans and then they have to renew and the pricing may change after that. By getting a multi-year plan, again, you're getting a better pricing and you're locking in your rate for several years.
Great. And just to jump on this, guys, I have a 5-year warranty on my house, which I bought right in the beginning. And unfortunately, I do make claims probably 2 or 3 times a year. And they do great jobs by coming out and fixing whatever I have a problem with. All right, third question. What are the most common claims made, and what can one expect if a repair is needed?
Chris, the most common claim, the forerunner, certainly is for appliances. And when a homeowner submits a claim for an appliance, they are going to get a replacement cost for like to like. So it's not necessarily replacement of the exact same brand, but they're going to get a price that enables them to obtain an appliance that has the same similar features as they currently have. Now, I think it's important to note that it's not necessarily going to cover the entire cost of getting a new appliance. It's just like when you trade in your car. When you trade in your car, the price that you're going to get for your vehicle is certainly helps purchase that new vehicle, but a used vehicle is not going to get the same pricing to be able to afford a brand new vehicle. So your warranty, again, is budget protection, which is going to make that sudden burden on your finances easier to handle, but it's not necessarily going to cover 100%. Hopefully that answers your question.
It does. That's great. I think another question which I try and relate to my clients is that if you buy a warranty by yourself, this is your number that you're probably going to get. But if you buy a warranty through a real estate agent, you must always call the agent when you're having an issue. And that agent will go back to you and say, hey, this is our issue. Can we do better? Is that correct?
Mm-hmm. It is. And first and foremost, I think what's really important for your clients and customers to understand is they can only get our real estate plan because of you. This is an exclusive plan that we offer to our real estate community. There are plans, and Choice does have direct consumer plans, but the coverage is not as extensive as our real estate plan that we offer through our real estate community. So when they are purchasing a warranty through you, they're getting better options.
Fourth question. How long could it take for a repair contractor to come to your home after submitting a claim?
So, Chris, I'm going to give you the contract answer, and then I'm going to elaborate on that a little further. So, our contract indicates that we have up to 48 hours to assign a tech to your claim. Now, again, that's assigning the tech. So the tech may not get out there for another day or two, after they're assigned. 80% of our claims are assigned within the first 24 hours. But I would say to keep in mind, a home warranty is not an emergency service. And so typically, if your heat goes out and you need a contractor there today, you're going to pay premium prices to get that contractor out. And with our warranty programs and our contractors, you are not paying retail rates. So it is a budget protection service, but it's not necessarily an emergency service. With that, I will also share that Choice is a technology company. And so our claim system is an Uber-like system. So I think that we do it better than most warranty companies in the industry because of this technology, advanced technology that we have. When you place your claim, it's going to go out to 3, 4, 5 contractors that have been vetted and approved for that particular issue in your geographic region. And the first contractor to pick up that claim gets awarded the job. So in other words, you're not waiting for us to call one contractor to check on their availability, then go to the next and go to the next, go to the next. It is technology driven to give you the fastest possible response and to get a tech out there quickly.
Yes. So from past experience with warranty companies, when I make a claim, and usually actually she said within 24 hours, but usually I'm finding that I have been connected with someone within 1 to 2 hours after making a claim, even if it's after hours. When I get that phone number, the first thing I do is I text and usually call and say, hey guys, you've said that you can see me on Friday and it's Monday today. This is something that really needs more immediate attention. Is there any way that you guys can come out sooner than that? And I would say 95% of the time, they work around their schedule and they find a way to put me in much sooner. So even though Choice has done their obligation, you still can move that up by calling them up and setting up a better time that works for you. Is that right?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. I'm so happy you brought that up because 9 times out of 10, the contractor can get out there faster than that first email that you've gotten with the scheduled appointment.
Good to know. Thanks so much. Number 5. So do you think home warranties offer the same value for buyers purchasing new construction versus older homes?
So Chris, most new construction comes with a 1-year warranty, but certainly at that second year, I think it makes sense to purchase a home warranty because the appliances that we have today, the systems that we have today have more and more gadgets and features. And the more and more gadgets that you have on a washing machine, a dryer, the more opportunity there is to go for something to go wrong. So the more advanced our appliances and our systems get, the more opportunity again for something to break. So it's, I don't think warranties are just for older homes. They certainly are helpful and help with that burden for the unexpected repair on newer properties as well.
Another thing to think about in regard to new construction, guys, is that most builders have a builder grade that they use, right? So the roof is probably only going to last for about 10 years. The siding is probably going to last for about 10 years. However, the appliances inside are just like every other appliance. They may be new when you bought it, but they may have been installed a year prior to you even purchasing the property. So when you have finished that first year systems warranty with the builder, it really makes sense to get a second, third, fourth, fifth year to cover you for the rest of the duration, because the appliances, as always, are the first thing to go. And new buyers always think that new construction is going to last forever, but it's just like a resale. It still gets wear and tear. So you still have to make sure that you maintain it. And having the warranty gives you the extra protection. Isn't that right?
Absolutely. Yeah. You just, you don't know when something's going to go wrong. And it just, again, it gives you that extra protection and sense of security that you've got some help if something does go wrong.
Great. Good to know. Okay. Question 6. One thing which my buyers always say to me when they buy a house is, Chris, should we change the locks? And actually, I think there's a benefit with Choice Home Warranty, and that is a rekey option. Is that right? Can you tell us more about that? Is that correct?
Yes, and that it drives me crazy because most buyers forget to utilize this benefit. And I think it's one of the best benefits of our program. And so when you purchase a home, you can practically file a claim from your closing table to have the house rekeyed. Choice Home Warranty will rekey up to 6 standard locks. And this way you have the added security of knowing nobody else, you just don't know who may have keys to that home from the prior seller. And you want your family, safe and secured. And so we'll come out for a $75 service fee and rekey up to 6 locks. Again, standard locks on your home.
That's pretty amazing. I don't think any of my clients ever do that. So that's good to know. Thank you. Hey guys, this is Chris Dudley with the Dudley Real Estate Group, and we've just been chatting with Vicki Hamp from Choice Home Warranty. Vicki, thank you so much for joining us. Is there anything that you would like to tell our viewers as we close out?
I'm very passionate about helping people like you are. You work so hard to help your buyers find the right home to live their best lives. And we want to make sure that that their experience in the home after purchase is just as wonderful. And the last thing I want to happen is for a homeowner to have to put off a vacation or forego, something fun they were planning for their families because they had an unexpected repair. And so I'm passionate about home warranties because it helps our homeowners enjoy their homes in a way without having as big of an impact when things go wrong. And all homes have something come up every now and then as part of being a homeowner, and we're just really, really glad we can help make it easier for folks as they live their lives.
Thank you, Vicki. Thanks so much. You've been great, and it's been great getting to know all about home warranties.
I appreciate being here, and good luck with everything. Thank you.
Thank you.